Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 10.B. Question number 10. An aircraft flies from its base 200 kilometer on a bearing of 162 degree and then 350 kilometer on the bearing of 260 and then return directly to the base. Calculate the length and bearing of the return journey. Okay. So first is an aircraft from its base is 200 kilometer on the bearing of. So this is the base. If we will take this is the base, then this aircraft is at the bearing of 162 kilometer. I'm going to take it R, and this one is Q, and its distance is 200 kilometer. Okay, and its bearing is, let we draw its bearing. So its bearing is 162 kilometer. And then 350 kilometer on the bearing of 260 degree, and then return directly to the base. Okay. So we have to find this is 350 kilometer. And here its bearing is 260 degree. So this one is north, south, east and west, north and south. Okay, and then return directly to the base. So calculate length and bearing of return journey. Means we have to find this distance. If P, this one is P, this one is P. So this distance we have to find, that is small r, and this one is Q, and this one is small p. We have to find the return distance, means we have to find r. So there are this is 260. Okay, now first we calculate its angle, internal angle, this one, this angle, because we have this side and this angle is missing. So we will find this angle by using cosine rule. Okay, if I will this complete, it is 260, and this one is 10. This one is 10 degree, because if we will take it complete 3 quadrant, it will be 270. So it's mean 260, 270 minus 260 will be 10 degree. That is this one. And now we have to calculate this one. So this one we can calculate by using, this is 160, this one 162, this one is 162. If we will take complete round of 180, then 180 minus 162 will be 18. Okay, so this angle will be 18 angle. Okay, so this angle is 18 angle, and this one angle is also 18, because when two lines they are parallel, means this north line and this north line and this P line is crossing both north line. So this angle 18 and this angle 18, they will be same. When we have two lines and one line is crossing to other line, then this angle and this angle is same. Okay, and this angle and this angle is same. So that's why if this angle is 18, if this angle is 18, then this angle is also 18. So we are taking, that's why it's 18 angle. Okay, so if this complete 260 and plus 18, then complete round is 360. Is it clear? From here, if we will take this curve from R, point R here, if we will take this complete circle, it is 360. 260 is this one, 10 is this, becomes 270, and then plus 18. If we will add these all and subtract from 360, we will get this angle. Is it clear? 260 plus 10 and 18. If we will subtract these angles from 360, we will get this internal angle. So I'm going to subtract 360 minus 260 minus 10 minus 18. That will be angle R. So let me check what is angle R. Angle R is 360 minus 270. And minus 18. So this angle is 72. This angle is 72. If we will take this both angle, then it will be 82. Okay. Or we can take this one. 360 minus 260 and 18, and then we will get 82. This angle. So internal angle is, complete internal angle is, I'm going to erase, and this complete internal angle is 82. Is it clear, this point? We will move next. If it's clear. Yes, Rumisa, and why? Yes, Rumisa, and why? If it's not clear, I will explain it again.
Miss, could you explain it again?
Okay, look at here. This angle is, I'm going to move back. I think I have to explain here. This is a line that has 260 angle, okay? And this is a one line that is also having the angle is, here its angle is, here its angle is 162, okay? If we will take complete, here this complete line angle, it is 180, right? If we will subtract 180 minus 162, we will get this angle, okay? So 180 minus 162, cause this complete angle is 180. So it is 18 is this angle. 18 is this angle. If this angle is 18, then this angle is also 18. And this angle is 60 already. So how we can find this internal angle? We can find internal angle by subtracting 360, by subtracting 260 and minus 18 from 360, and this will be 82. So this complete angle is 82. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So here this complete angle is 82. This is 82. Okay, when two sides length are given, two side length means this side length is given, and also this side length is given, and included angle that is also 82 is given, then we can apply cosine rule. Okay, we can apply cosine rule here. So according to cosine rule, it is r square is equal to p square plus q square minus 2PQ cos R, capital R. So R square is equal to P value is 200 square, Q value is 350 square, and P value is 200 and Q value is 350. And cos R we got it is 82. And after calculation, if it is 200 square plus 350 square minus 2 multiply 200 multiply 350 multiply cos 82 plus 350 square minus 2 multiply 200 multiply 350 multiply cos 82 degree. So we are getting 143,015.7. But after taking square root of this, after taking square root of this is 380, 378.1. So 378.1 is the length from base, length of aircraft from the base to its total journey, means this is the and the return journey. Okay, then return directly to the base, calculate the length and bearing of return journey. So
Miss,
it's yes,
could we also use sine rule in this?
yes, we can use cosine rule, and also
Sine rule.
sine rule. For sine rule, there is one angle is missing, but we have to find our side. Okay, our side to one side. Look at here. Here we cannot apply cosine rule because our side we don't know here the opposite side of this. If at least one two opposite side and angle is we know both one side and one angle, opposites one side and one angle, and one side and one angle is can be missing. So means one side can be missing or the opposite side angle is missing, then we can apply cosine rule. But here we can apply cosine rule. After this, we will apply cosine rule because here we found it is R. Now we can apply cosine rule for finding angle. Okay. Cosine rule, we always know that if we have a triangle, look at here, if we have triangle, then this angle, for example, this is A and this one is B, A side, this one is B and this one is side B, this one is C and this one is side C, then this complete pair we need and this complete pair we need, or this complete pair we need. Okay, if any one of them is missing, like this one is missing, we can apply cosine rule. Okay, but if but in this question this side angle and both sides are missing, one side and other angle are missing. This angle is missing, this side we know that, this angle we know that, but this side is missing, means two quantities are missing, but we need at least three quantity. We know that three quantity, and one if one is missing, then we can apply cosine rule. Means here we have A, B, and small a and small b. If three we know that and one is missing, then we can apply cosine rule. But if two are missing, like A, B are given and two sides are missing, then we cannot apply cosine rule. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
we can apply a cosine rule when we have at least three quantities are given, one is missing. Either it can be one angle or one side. Okay. So if two are missing, then we will not apply a cosine rule. Okay. Now our side, we found it's our side. Now this angle, look at here, this 80 angle, this 80 angle, this side, and this side. We know these three sides. So we can use, also we know this side, this side. So we can use cosine rule here. If we will take this side, then we must know that this angle. So this angle we have to find now by using cosine rule, sorry, sine rule. So opposite of P is its side P over sine P, and sine length R. Length R over sine R. Now look at here, which three quantities are given. R, we know that what is value of R, small r. What is the angle of R? R is 82. Capital R angle is 82. We know that. And P side, we know that it is 200. But P angle we have to find. Okay, so three quantities are given and one is missing. So now we can apply cosine rule here. Apply these values all. Put these value. P is 200. P is 200. Sine P we have to find. R is 378.1 over sine R is 82. Okay, R angle is 82. Now we can use formula cross multiplication. 82 over 378.1 is equal to sine P. Take inverse of this all quantities, all measurements, and find angle P. So angle P is
32.0.
31.0, or is it 31.6? I'm getting 31.6. Okay. Okay now. But this is angle P. Hey, the question is that we have to find the bearing. We have to find the bearing of return journey. Bearing of return journey means we have to find the bearing of P here. We have to find this bearing. Okay, this bearing, turn journey bearing. This angle we found it is 31.6, right? This angle we found it is 31 because P angle is 31. Okay, if this one is 31, this one is 10. Now look at here carefully. There are two, this line and this line. This is 10 angle and this can be also 10 angle because when two parallel lines are given and one crossing line is crossing two parallel lines, then opposite angles are same. So it's mean 10, this is 10, then this will be also 10. This will be also 10. Then this complete angle will be 31 plus 10. Complete angle is 31.6 plus 10 will be 41.6. So we have to find the angle of, if I will make here, this angle is 31, this angle is 10, then this complete angle is 41.6. We have to find this bearing. Okay, we have to find this bearing, this bearing. So if we will subtract If we will subtract 90 minus 41.6, we will get the bearing of return journey. So it is 90 minus bearing of return journey. What is this?
Miss,
Yes.
the answer is 51.6. And why do we plus by 10?
51.6. It's 48.4.
Okay, but Miss, why do we plus with 10?
Because here the complete, if we will talk about this complete quadrant, look at here. If we will talk about this complete quadrant, this one, this is complete 90. This complete quadrant is 90. But we only know that this measurement, okay, this measurement that we found here, 31. Okay. So this is 10 and this is also 10. It becomes 41. If we will add these both 31 and 10, it is 41.6. We can subtract this 41.6 from 90 and then we can get the bearing of this angle, this side. Because we have to find the bearing of return journey. So bearing of return journey is only this angle. This angle, that is the red one. This one. We have to find only this bearing. So this complete is 41, 31 plus 6 plus 10. This is 41 and subtract from 90. So it will be 48.4. I explained here. This is P angle. P angle is 31. So here is an other angle that is 10. So according to this angle, this will be also 10. So these both angle together will be 41. So 41 we will subtract from 90. 90. So it will be 48.4 is the bearing of this side, this line. Is it clear?
Yes.
You have to do the practice on daily basis of these questions. Okay. Is it clear, Misa?
Yes.
Every point?
Yes.
Because if we move next, then I will not revise or repeat this question. So if you have confusion, you can ask now.
No, miss.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Okay. After this class, you have to do the practice of this question.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now. Next is town Y is 9 kilometer due north of town Z and town X is 8 kilometer from Y. Okay, now first of all, where is Z? Z is, let me suppose Z is here and town Y is north of, this is north, this is south and this is north. So if we will take the directions of Z point, it is north and it is south, it is east and it is west. So at the north of, there is a Y town that is 9 kilometer away. That is 9 kilometer away of town Z. Then X is 8 kilometer. Then X is 8 kilometer. This is X. X is 8 kilometer from Y and 5 kilometer from Z and 5 kilometer from Z, somewhere to the west. So it's mean it is at the west, this direction and this direction. X is at the west of the line YZ. Okay, now draw triangle. Okay, we drawn triangle and find angle y, z, and x. Y, z, and x. So it's mean this one is y, this one is y, this one is z, and this one is x. When there is an like question is that y, z, and x, it's mean we have to find internal angle, means z angle. So we have to find this angle. Is it clear? We have to
Yes.
find this angle. If all sides are given, we can apply cosine rule. Okay, if all sides are given, then we can apply cosine rule. So this becomes x, this becomes y, this becomes z, small z. This becomes small z. So we can use formula for cos z is equal to, because if after this I will take cos inverse, so we can find easily z angle. So it is x square plus y square minus c square over 2xy. So x value is 9 square, y value is 5 square, z value is 8 square over 2, x value is 9, y value is 5. So after calculation, I am getting 0.466. So when I will take cos
Miss,
inverse, yes,
answer is 62.61.
very nice. So answer is 62 degree. Okay, so its angle is 62 degree. Now, what is second part of this question? The first part is first draw triangle and find angle. So we did both things. During earthquake, town X moves due south until it is due west of Z. Find how far it has moved. Okay. Now next part is this is moving to down, that is south, and at the west of Z, as the west of Z due to earthquake. Okay, now we have to find how far it has moved. Means how far it has moved. If we will suppose this is A side, this is A, then we have to find this distance. Means how far it's coming down. How far it's coming down. Okay, now for this, we have two triangles. One triangle is YZ and A, and other triangle is YZ and X. We have two triangles. So if I will take triangle A, C, and X, A, Z, and X, I can find. Now first I will take triangle A, Z, and Y. So we can find first this angle and then we will use that other side. So A, Z, and Y. Okay, for A, Z, and Y, uh, Okay, then okay, from this we can take easily for finding this angle. If I will choose YZ and X triangle, YZ and X triangle, this is not the triangle, YZ and X triangle, then these are complete pair of for sine rule, and this is complete pair for sine rule. Okay, three quantities are given, two sides x and 5 and one angle 62, but y angle we can find by using cosine rule. So I'm going to apply here sine rule, sorry, cosine, not cosine, sine rule. So it is y over sine y and z over sine z. Okay, then after this y value is 5, sine y is equal to z value is 8 and angle z is 62, right? Angle z is 62. We can use cross multiplication, 5 multiplies 62 over 8, and then at the end this is y, not small y, it is capital Y. So we can use sine inverse and find, this is sine 62 degree over 8 and find angle y. So what is angle y? Angle y I am getting, it is 33.5. Okay. So this angle is, if I will erase this, so this angle is 33.5. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this angle is 33. Now for this angle, now we can find, we have to find if a, look at here, a x we can find if we have a y and we subtract y x from a y, we can get a x value, we can get a x value. Okay, so y x value is 8, yx value is 8, but this value ay total value, we don't know what is ay value, we have to find this value. So this value we can find by using triangle. This is complete bigger triangle, that is triangle a y and z, this one is y, a y and z. So this is uh look at here, I'm making this triangle here. So this one is Z, this one is A, this one is 9 kilometer. Okay, if we are using this angle, then this one is adjacent side, this one is hypotenuse side, this one is opposite side, right? So we can use cos 33.5 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, what is adjacent? Adjacent is AY and hypotenuse is y a, no, adjacent is yz, adjacent is yz and hypotenuse is, this one is y ay. So a z yz value we know that it is 9 and a value we can find by cross multiplication of this. So we can shift this ay here, 9 over cos 33.5. And what is ay value? What is ay value?
10.79. Miss, won't we do
Did you calculate this exact value?
yes,
Uh,
yes.
Let me check. Sine
Miss,
62. Is it, wait, is it sine inverse? Yes, it's 33.4. Yes, yes, while, yes, while it is 10.
Miss, when we will take on the other side, will we do cos inverse?
No, we will not take cos inverse because we are finding side now. Angle, we already know that. Cos inverse,